the prayer as follows. Direct that in line with the provision of Section 14 subsection 2 of the Legislative Houses Powers and Privileges Act 2017, Hon Saba Yisa Gideon, representing Edu State Constituency, should proceed on suspension for 3 months with immediate effect. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Against say nay. The ayes have it. Direct that the Honorable Saba Yisa Gideon, representing Edu constituency, should write a letter of apology on the subject of his suspension to the Honorable House within the 3 months of suspension. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Against say nay. The ayes have it. Sergeant. Next item on another paper is adjournment. Having finished with all the items on another paper, I call on the House Leader to move a motion for adjournment of plenary.